Hi, I'm Brad from my team at Advantage Air. We're always crawling through roof spaces and getting into tight spots. Before we do though, we prepare and make sure we have any gear we need, just as you should when you're doing a home DIY. Here are a few tips from us to stay safe. Before you start, prepare. Scope out the work area so you can understand the job you're about to undertake. That way you can make sure you have all the right tools and safety equipment that you'll need. Having the right protective clothing and equipment is important for the job. That means swap your thongs for some boots or some closed-in shoes. Make sure your clothes aren't loose or floppy, that way they can't get caught on things. Wear earmuffs if you're using loud power tools. A face mask and safety glasses to protect your eyes when drilling or cutting. Gloves will also be handy if you have insulation in your roof. Before stepping into the roof, you need to ensure that your home electricity is off by turning the main switch off at the switchboard. Think about ladder safety. Choose the right ladder for the job and make sure it's in tip-top condition. Make sure you're on even ground. That means no wobbles. If you can, have someone hold the ladder while you climb. Keep at least 3 points of contact on the ladder. Stay centered. Always face the ladder when going up or coming down. Have someone pass the tools up to you from the base. Before starting any work, have a look around your roof space. Look for sharp objects, type of lighting, type of insulation material, accessibility to the work area. Once you have deemed it safe and you are comfortable with getting into the roof, there are a few things to be mindful of. Take additional light with you, or you can slide a tile to let more light in. Step carefully on ceiling joists or other beams, not the ceiling material, the gyprock sheeting. Ensure your fixing points are clear of electrical cables. Wear appropriate PPE. It gets hot in the roof. Take some water with you and stay hydrated. Once you're finished in the roof, make sure you take all your rubbish down with you. And once you are back on the ground, wash your hands, face and neck with soapy water. 240-volt electrical work is not something you should take on as a DIY project. You will need a licensed electrician to do this for you. Not only is it against the law, but it could jeopardise your home insurance. And it's dangerous and could be fatal. If in doubt, just ask us. Call my team on 1300 850 191. We can install for you or put you in touch with a licensed electrician.